Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect GoDaddy domain to Shopify. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Shopify, go on to the settings and go on to the domains. And here you can see an option to add the domain. Currently I am on the free plan, so that's why that option is unavailable. So if you have any subscription, this option is available to you. Then you simply need to go on to the GoDaddy, click on domains, and you need to select your domain from here. And then you need to come back on to the Shopify and add on to the domains. And then you need to copy the DNS code from your domains and add here. And after that, your domain will be added. So this is our process how you can connect GoDaddy domain to Shopify. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.